Hello and welcome to Wilson's Barbecue. In this video I'm going to take you through how I like to make a southern style coleslaw, which is really good for all sorts of barbecue. I personally am going to use this in my pulled pork sandwiches, which you'll see in a couple of weeks. So watch this video, get to know how to make this, and then when the pulled pork sandwiches video comes out, you'll have all the knowledge to put together a great sandwich. So all you need is a teaspoon of mayonnaise. It's not a particularly creamy coleslaw, it's more vinegar based. A teaspoon of salt and pepper, quarter of a red cabbage, quarter of a white cabbage, a large whole carrot, some apple cider vinegar and some celery seeds. So we'll get all of this cut up and we'll get back to you in a minute and show you how to put it together. So we're back and we've cut up our ingredients. So we've got our quarter red cabbage, finely sliced, our quarter white cabbage, finely sliced, and our carrot, finely sliced. This is really simple. All we're going to do is move over our ingredients into a large bowl. And this slaw is really good for all types of barbecue. So we've got all our ingredients in a bowl and I'll just give it an initial mix. First thing we're going to do is our salt and pepper. Next is going to be our celery seeds. So we're going to use about a quarter of a teaspoon of celery seeds, and this gives it a real nice savoury unique flavour. And if you've ever had coleslaw in a barbecue restaurant in America, either it be Texas or Carolina, you'll probably be familiar and recognise the flavour that the celery seeds give. So we put our mayonnaise in, and as I said, this isn't a particularly creamy coleslaw, so we're going to go in with half a tablespoon initially of apple cider vinegar. We're going to go in with a tablespoon actually, because there's quite a bit of vegetable here. Right, so we're all in. We've got all our ingredients in there, and all we're going to do is mix it in and give it a nice scrunch. So this is my purple slaw, and I call it that because the colour of the red cabbage with the salt and the vinegar, the pigment starts to come out and get into the sauce or the kind of dressing, and creates a really nice vibrant purple colour. So we're scrunching it, and what's happening is the acidity of the apple cider vinegar and the salt is breaking down the cell walls of the vegetables, and softening it up. And what will happen after about a half-hour rest, anywhere between half an hour and an hour, is there will be some liquid that comes out of this. All you need to do is just drain it off. You can pour it away. I quite like it. I leave it in there, and then when I'm ready to serve, if this has been in the fridge overnight, what I'll do is I'll give it a stir, and again that kind of dressing coats the slaw and just keeps it moist. So you can pour it away. I personally like to save it and just use it to freshen it up when I'm ready to go. So get rid of those. So there we have it. Real quick, simple, easy barbecue slaw, and it's perfect with or without barbecue. You can have this anytime, but it goes particularly well with barbecue, particularly if you're having a sweet sauce. The acidity cuts through the richness of pork and sweet sauces really well, and as I say, this goes great with my pulled pork sandwiches. So watch out for that video. Use this recipe when that video comes out and make some incredible sandwiches. So I'll have a quick taste now. That is perfect. Really good. That's going to get even better within an hour when I'll be ready to use it. It's got a really nice crunch because we haven't left it for too long. but we've only put a little bit of apple cider vinegar in there, so it hasn't broken down too much. Really, really good flavour. So go check it out. Please comment, like and subscribe. Really, really helps my channel. It helps me grow, lets me know that I'm doing a good job, and lets me know to keep doing these videos. So thanks again for watching. Go try out this slaw. Watch out for my pulled pork sandwich video in a couple of weeks, where you can put this to good use. And thanks again.